nag-usap tungkol kay Tatay Digong. How is he doing today? How's your visit today?
He was good today. Hello! You again, come here.
Yeah.
So today, he was, it was the usual. I got him snacks first. I arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him like to my mom and to my siblings, you know. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And then I threw the question back. Okay, how about you? How are you? He said he's fine, and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that's happening. He said nga, because my father, he's a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said in verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palms and he said, it is written. And he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Kung anong nasa palad mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So, you just pray to God that He will not give you so much of a harsh experience in life. So, I said yes. Ganon. And, ayun, he was just munching on some snacks and he really likes the pancake ba yun.
Okay.
So, I thought he was hungry. Like, I thought he was, akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So, parang I was worried. I said, did you eat today? Sabi niya, yes naman. He had chicken and rice today.
Okay.
So, he's doing good. He's fine. And, for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Mira, yung baby girl namin, and he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste nga, na sobrang kamukha niya. So, ayun, yun yung palagi niyang minamention, si Soling, saan si Soling, ganun. And then parang a different kind of light beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya na kamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today, and he was happy to see me. And anong araw ba ngayon? It's Tuesday.
the
So
19th.
he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it. Yeah.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they are children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan ng current affairs sa Philippines?
Today, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something, ang Davao City. It's still one of the safest places, cities second, in Southeast Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Duterte. I told him na, oh, you know, si Kuya Baste, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
CVP, when do we expect a visit po?
Si VP, I don't know pa. I just know that for this month, ano ba ngayon? I'm lost. It's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, you know, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So I will still ask them pa rin today.
Okay. Yeah. Yung mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again. From the New Yorkers, the first-timers. Nasaan na yung asawa mo?
It's Martina, right? Martina.
Sino mga first-timers? Pag-go. Monica and Martina. Picture, nasaan ang picture?
Hi.
Sino may camera? Yan. Oo. Konti lang naman tayo, we can all have our turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile!